So in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about BNBU, their programs, what it's like to live on campus, about their facilities on campus, also tuition and accommodation fees, scholarships, and of course, the most important thing is how you can apply to BNBU in step by step. So before going any further about BNBU, let's get to know these universities more. So BNBU, or Beijing Normal Hong Kong Baptist University, was established in 2005 as the first full-scale collaboration in higher education between mainland China and Hong Kong. And before, it was actually known as UIC, or United International College. So their campus is a home to about 9,000 undergraduate students and a diverse community with faculty and students from more than 30 countries and regions. You'll be joining a large, vibrant international students environment. So, knowing some little bit introduction about BNBU and also some key facts about BNBU, now we are ready to move on to the next question. And this is a very important question. How does BNBU stand out academically? So, BNBU has earned some impressive recognitions. So, recently, BNBU is actually recognized as the best or #1 among the top Sino-foreign universities in China according to CUAA 2025 China Cooperative University Ranking. And this is such an impressive jump from the year before. So this is such an impressive improvement because in 2024, in just last year, BNBU was ranked number 44 among 73 top universities in China. So you can see that this huge improvement, it shows and it reflects its growing reputations and also commitment in building the best education for international students. So one of its top program at BNBU, which is the Food Science and Technology, ranks in the top 1% worldwide in the agricultural science field. And BNBU's graduates also achieve great outcomes. Over 83% of the class of 2023 pursued further studies abroad, and about 83% of those graduates were admitted to the top 100 universities worldwide. So let's dive in more into what are the programs offered at BNBU. So BNBU currently they offer 30 undergraduate programs. Here you can see the list of the programs offered by BNBU. So I will just mention some of them. So some of the programs are offered by the Faculty of Business and Management, for example, accounting program, applied economics, and also business management and information system. And if you're into entrepreneurship and innovation, there's also a program for you, or even finance, marketing, business analytics, digital media management. Or if you are somebody that is looking forward to pursue something in the creativity field, then you can also look into some of the programs offered by the School of Culture and Creativity at BNBU, for instance, animation and interactive media program, also cinema and TV program, culture, creativity, and management. There's also some other programs like game design, music performance, and media arts and design. Now that you have the information for all 30 programs offered at BNBU, it's time to get and dig a little bit deeper into the admissions requirements and also tuition fee and the application process to apply to BNBU. So first and foremost is the English language requirements. As I mentioned earlier in this video, BNBU, they offer 100% English taught programs for all international students. Therefore, they have an English requirements that international students must follow. You can see more details in here, but I will just highlight some of them. For example, you need to provide TOEFL or IELTS, and if you provide TOEFL, then the minimum score would be 79 for the IBT version. And if you provide IELTS score, then the minimum score of the overall band should be 6.0. But if you have taken SAT or ACT or AP or even GCE A-level test, then you can use them as the English certificate. Just make sure that you meet the minimum requirement as shown in the screen. And then in terms of the academic requirements, so you know the information for the English language requirement, but then what is the minimum score that you need to have to get into BNBU. They have already specified the academic requirements based on each country. So let me just go through some of the popular ones. So for instance, if you are coming from my home country, Indonesia, then you need to have the senior high school graduation certificate and also recognize English language qualification. And then let's say you are coming from Italy, then you need to have a diploma, the esame di Stato or upper secondary school leaving certificate, and also recognize English language qualification. So what about if you're coming from English-speaking countries like USA or UK? So in that case, you do not need to provide the English language certificate because your country is recognized as a native English-speaking country, that you have sufficient academic background to study at BNBU. For example, if you're coming from UK, you need to provide one of the following, like the GCE A level or International Advanced level with the minimum grades of grade E or above in 3 AL or IAL subjects. Or you can also provide a Cambridge Pre-U diploma or BTEC. If you are coming from the USA, you should provide a high school graduation diploma with one of the following, either SAT or AP or ACT or associate degree together with the high school graduation diploma. And for more details about what you should be providing depending on where you come from, then you can check in more details in here. Last but not least, also for students who are taking the international curriculum or those who are taking SAT or IB, or maybe those who are studying in a Cambridge curriculum, then you need to provide your high school diploma with one of the following requirements. It depends on the curriculum that you follow in your school, and also it depends on where you come from, but you can check in more details on BNBU website. So after gathering all this useful information about BNBU, what are actually the next steps? The next step is for you to start your application right away to BNBU. So the first step is to decide which major you want to apply. Out of the 30 undergraduate programs at BNBU, which major do you want to apply? The second one is to start your application on BNBU application platform. And here I will show you how you can do a step-by-step application on BNBU application platform. So the first step is to go to BNBU official website, and this is the official website. And then you can browse to check the programs and courses at BNBU, including the admissions requirement in more detail, so you can check them in more details, what is expected for you to have to apply and also to successfully get accepted at BNBU. And then after that, you just need to go to the application process to figure out how to apply to BNBU. So who can apply to BNBU? Of course, the programs are all open for international students who wanted to study at BNBU. And then the application deadline is roughly on May 15th for the 2026 intake. And to apply to BNBU, you simply need to go to their official application portal, this is the application portal of BNBU. Right, so the next step is for you to register an account. If you don't have an account yet, then you need to register for one. But otherwise, if you already have an account, then please log in with your username and password to access your account at BNBU. And the most important thing is when you register your account for the university application portal, please remember to use an active email address because you will get all the application updates through your registered email address. So make sure that you enter the email address correctly and that and also this is the email address that you often use because you do not want to miss any updates from the university. And after you register your account, you will get a verification code that is sent to your registered email address. So you need to then put in the verification code to get started, to get your account activated, start your application at BNBU. So let's start with the application process at BNBU. Yeah, please make sure to apply before May 15, 2026. That is the final application deadline for BNBU. And also another important thing is that there is no application fee at BNBU, so you can apply directly. And the application process is fairly simple. The first part is to basically fill out your personal information like your name, nationality, date of birth, passport number, and these are all very sensitive and very important information. Please always make sure that you input especially your name, nationality, date of birth, passport number, and also your mobile phone number. These are all must be correct because this information will need to be consistent throughout the application process, including when you're accepted to the program and the university need to produce your admissions documents. Then they will refer back to the name and all the information that you input in the application portal. That's why it's extremely important for you to have this ready. And then the next part after you fill out your personal information is to choose the program that you want to apply at BNBU. So you can choose one out of the 30 undergraduate programs that is offered at BNBU. So for instance, I wanted to apply for culture, creativity, and management program. So that's my first choice. But then if let's say you have a second choice, if and the second choice will apply if in case you are not accepted in the first program by any reason, or especially if the program is, let's say, already full, or if the university thinks that your background is not like very suitable for the first option, then they may consider your second choice in this scenario. So you can also fill out your second choice, saying my second choice is e-business management and information system. So just fill out the first and second choice, and remember that the undergraduate, the choices of the program that you want to apply for is usually non-modifiable, which means after you submitted your application, then usually the university will not give you a chance to change this. That's why always think carefully and make your decision wisely before choosing which program you want to apply for. And then the next part is to fill out your education, your academic qualifications and examination results. So you can fill out your secondary education information in here, and also your examination results in here, including your English qualifications in here. And if you have working experiences or maybe some part-time jobs that you did before, internships, then you can fill it out in this part, in part E. And then for some additional information, let's say some of the information that you think will be helpful for your application. For example, the reason why you want to apply, or maybe the reason why you should be considered for scholarships, your hobbies or interests, or maybe some of the awards or achievements that you have. You can write it in this part, in part F. And part G is where you upload the required documents to apply at BNBU. It's fairly simple. The documents they have to prepare for BNBU, and it's pretty straightforward. The first one that you need to provide would be your high school certificate, or if you haven't graduated yet, if you're still in your final year, then you can upload a pre-graduation certificate instead of the official high school certificate. But remember that after you arrive at BNBU later, you will need to present your official graduation certificate. You also need to upload your academic transcripts. So this is all of your high school academic, like your complete high school academic records. And then also a personal statement showing why you wanted to apply at BNBU, why your application should be considered, your strength and motivation to study at BNBU, also your valid passport copy, and then your photo in white background. They should be like a passport style formal photo in white background. And you also need two recommendation letters coming from your high school teachers. Remember, the recommendation letters must be signed by your teachers, and it must have your teachers' contact information like their email address and also phone number. And then if you're coming from non-English speaking country, then please also upload TOEFL or IELTS score. But if you are from English speaking countries like US, UK, Australia, you can skip this requirement. You can also upload any other documents that you think will beneficial for your application. If let's say you have some working experience, you can upload it there. And then if let's say you have some documents that are not in English, like your graduation certificate, or maybe your high school transcripts that are not in English, then they must be accompanied by English translation copy. It must be officially translated using a sworn translator or authorized or certified translator. So you have to submit the original version together with the English translation copy. So that's it. That's all the thing that you have to fulfill and provide to apply to BNBU. Then again, they do not charge application fees. So once you have finished completing the information and also the application documents, then you can submit your application right away to BNBU. And BNBU admissions team, they will do the next part, which is they will review your applications. And if you pass the first review, then you will have the chance to be invited for an online interview, which is the second step. And then they will make their decisions after concluding the results from your documents review and the interview process. So let's refresh some of the information that's been discussed in this video. So the first question is there any scholarships available at BNBU? The answer is yes, and there are general scholarships available for international students at BNBU, covering a full tuition fee scholarships, 50% tuition fee scholarship, 30% tuition fee scholarships, and also the housing or accommodation scholarships. And then, is all programs at BNBU taught in English? The answer is yes. BNBU, they offer 100% English environment for international students, meaning all of their programs that are offered are also taught in English. So to qualify for applying to their English taught programs, you need to be either from English-speaking countries, but if you're not, then you just need to submit an English certificate that is recognized by BNBU. And the last question that I want to cover today is why study at BNBU in China? So in case you're still contemplating whether to choose BNBU, this will become an important question to think about. Why international students choose to study at BNBU? So here's why international students love BNBU. BNBU is the first liberal arts university in mainland China, and they emphasize in critical thinking and interdisciplinary education. And graduates from BNBU will earn a bachelor's degree from Hong Kong Baptist University, recognized globally, along with BNBU graduation certificate, meaning you will get 2 degrees after you graduate from BNBU. And last but not least, they have partnership with over 70 institutions worldwide to provide extensive study abroad opportunities for international students like you. So yeah, that's all. That's your updated guide to BNBU for 2026. Of course, it's a fantastic option to study at BNBU if you want a world-class degree and adventure in Greater Bay Area in Zhuhai, then choose BNBU right away. And if you want to see the full presentation from the university, in case you want to know in more details about BNBU, what are the programs that they offer, what it's like to study at BNBU, also maybe a glimpse of, the campus tour of BNBU, the facilities that they offer for international students, check out the online open day video with BNBU right there. And there are also some other videos that we did with BNBU's faculties before that you can check also in there. Right, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your application to BNBU. Goodbye, see you next time.